Sick of working tirelessly in the garden? Sick of using a rake or a leaf blower to move leaves? Isn't it boring?
This is boring.
Well, MacKenzie RC Technologies has the product for you. Introducing the Jungle Tornado. This remote control car doubles as a leaf blower. It has all the speed of a normal RC car, but you can now use it to do the gardening. It even has an onboard camera, so not only can you record what you're doing, but now you can work from the comfort of your own home. The Jungle Tornado can do everything a conventional RC car can, and so much more. The MRCT Jungle Tornado. Fast, fun gardening. Pick up yours today.